TagoIO. Now, when you think about it, how and where our technology really helps, right? Again, I speak with customers and potential customers all over the world doing all sorts of different, very creative things with Tago. And whether that's monitoring climate changes, crop health, right, which goes hand in hand with Myriota's satellite technology, monitoring water resources, as Mike was mentioning, but it really goes beyond that, right? When I think of the benefits, right, of TagoIO and Myriota, right, optimization, use of machinery. But let's expand on that a little bit, right? Because preventative maintenance is huge. Whether you are doing leak detection in buildings, whether you are tracking environmental items, or maybe you are just using sensors to track your machinery. There might be a vibration sensor. If the vibration goes above a certain threshold that you've set, then it's going to send an alert and that machine is going to turn off. And you've just prevented costly repairs by catching it early. So again, when I think of TagoIO, it goes well beyond visualization. It's our reports, our analytics, preventative maintenance, RTLS. I have lots of customers in RTLS. Mike touched on this with one of his asset tracking sensors that are tracking things all over the world, in the air, through the sea, and then on land, and rail as well on land. So again, the things that you can do with Tago and Myriota is really, there's no boundaries, right? If you really think about it, right? Soil health tracking, weather condition monitor. Again, it goes so above and beyond. And we do have people that are using TagoIO and Myriota for disease detection for their animals in most cases, right? So water and energy resource utilization. What you're looking at here on the right, by the way, is a template that we have, right? So we have many templates. Again, I'm very big on self-help, as I said. We have many templates. Maybe you don't want to build out an entire dashboard. We have so many templates, you could just go grab a template and download it to your developer TagoIO account. And then once it's in your profile, you can build it out any way you see fit, right? You own it at that point, is the point I'm making. You can do whatever you want to, change the widgets, change the colors. We have so many optimization benefits that you can do with TagoIO. And really, it's greater efficiency through better visibility, right? And what does that mean, right? Greater efficiency, what does that mean? Well, again, as I said, preventative maintenance, tracking your crops. I have a customer that uses Myriota, and they have a huge sod farm here in the US, right? And they've integrated with the Weather Channel. And if it's 80% chance of rain, they don't turn on their sprinkler systems for their farm, right? For their sod farm grass, they're growing grass. And so they save a lot of money on water cost, as well as keeping their crops, their sod, healthy. And really, it's enhanced sustainability. That is an example of that, of enhanced sustainability, right? And the big thing that all of us should be, paying attention to is environmental footprint, right? And you can really minimize that in so many different ways. I have a ton of examples. I won't go through them all here, but think about that, right? Your environmental footprint of what can you do there, right? So it's really important when you're thinking of TagoIO and Myriota, don't be stuck on just visualization. I've said it over and over, and I'll continue to say it. It goes well beyond visualization. You could have your own reports with your own company logo, nice PDF, that will go out to your stakeholders, let's say. That's heavily used, by the way, over the customer base.